All right, today I have a Kia Telluride, and I'm going to show you how to add windshield washer fluid to this particular Kia Telluride. All right, so I'm sitting inside of the vehicle. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. Now, to add windshield washer fluid, what you're going to do is, I'm sitting in the vehicle with it in park. I'm going to go ahead and open the door. All right, open the door. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to come down here and I'm going to find this lever right here. This right here, this is a lever for opening the hood. Okay, I'm going to take this and I'm going to pull this. You hear that little click? And once I've heard that, I'm going to walk around to the front of the vehicle. And once in the front of the vehicle, I'm going to find this safety latch. I'll show you in a second. And pull it open. Now, this is the safety latch. I'll push it to that side. The hood is open. And then I'm going to look down to the left side right here. You see this? This is where windshield washer fluid goes. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this, pull it open right there, and then fill it up until it's full. And then close this with, fill it up with windshield washer fluid. And then close it like that, and voila. And after I've done that, I'm just going to take this, and I'm going to go ahead and shut this, just like that. All right, and that is how you add windshield washer fluid to a Kia Telluride. Hope this has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.